Hello everyone, today I will show you how to install iOS 15 on your iPhone. So, let's get started. So, I have iPhone 10, I will show it by installing iOS 15 on it. First, open Safari. Then search beta.apple.com. Such an interface will appear. Tap on Sign Up or Sign In. Tap on Enroll your iOS device. Tap on Download Profile. Tap on Allow. Then close. Now, open Setting. Tap on Profile Download. Then install the profile. Tap on Restart Now. Now, open Setting. Tap on General. Then Software Update. Tap on Download and Install. Tap on Install. Congratulations! Update complete.